Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing swing set parts? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Visit website. Go to the LITTLETIKES website with your swing set model number ready. Step 2. Find parts. Locate the replacement parts section to find available swing set parts. Step 3. Select column. Select the support wall column for your specific model from the available list. Step 4. Order part. Proceed to place your order online by entering the necessary details accurately. Step 5. Follow instructions. Follow any additional online instructions about payment and delivery times. Now you're ready to efficiently replace that wall column on your swing set. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LITTLETIKES users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.